Hi, here's some beeswax that I collected from one of my hives, and it's full of honey. And I am going to eat some. It's so good. I mean, store-bought honey in the jars just cannot compare to honey fresh out of the hive from the floral sources in your local area. So I'm going to take this piece right here, which is loaded with honey, and I'm going to put it in my mouth and pop the cells open and just suck all the honey out of it. It'll give me a mouthful. Well, let's give it a try. Oh, that's good. My goodness. Oh, now you can eat the wax. It doesn't hurt you. It's digestible. Oh, that's so good. Well, thanks for watching.